A robot vacuum cleaner, also known as a Robovac. A robot vacuum cleaner, also known as a Robovac, is an autonomous cleaning device designed to clean floors, carpets, and other surfaces without requiring human intervention. These devices are equipped with sensors, brushes, and motors that allow them to navigate around obstacles, detect dirt and debris, and effectively clean various types of flooring. Robot vacuum cleaners typically operate in a systematic or random pattern, depending on the model and technology used. Some advanced models can even be controlled through smartphone apps or smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. These devices have become popular due to their convenience and ability to maintain relatively clean floors with minimal effort from the user. When considering a robot vacuum cleaner, factors to look for include navigation technology. Some robots use infrared sensors, cameras, or lasers to navigate and avoid obstacles. Battery life and charging, the duration the robot can operate on a single charge and how it returns to its charging dock. Cleaning modes, different modes for various cleaning needs, such as spot cleaning, edge cleaning, or full room cleaning. Dustbin capacity, the size of the dustbin that holds the collected dirt and debris. App control and connectivity. Some models can be controlled via smartphone apps and can be integrated with smart home ecosystems. Suction power and cleaning performance, the effectiveness of the robot in picking up different types of debris. Height and design, consider if the robot can fit under furniture and navigate tight spaces. Brand reputation and reviews, look for well-known brands with positive customer reviews. Price range, robot vacuum cleaners come in a wide range of prices, so consider your budget. Popular brands in the robot vacuum cleaner market include iRobot, Roomba series, Neato Robotics, Eufy, Roborock, and Shark, among others. It's important to note that while robot vacuum cleaners can be very helpful for day-to-day maintenance cleaning, they might not completely replace traditional vacuuming and manual cleaning methods for more thorough results.